Wow. Just wow. Look at this candle. Absolutely insane. I'm going to go ahead and zoom into this candle, guys. This is Ethereum. This is the 1 minute candle. This 1 minute candle dropped 6% at 8:30, exactly when the CPI came out. That's why the market has crashed. CPI has come out and that has pushed up the Fed futures, raising the expectations that the Fed is going to be raising interest rates at 100 basis points for this next session next week. That's what's killing the market today. That's what's pumping the dollar. That's why the market is continuing to crash and to go down and not bounce up really at all. And that's what has happened today. We were expecting a CPI to be bullish. CPI actually was bullish, but guess what? The market did not take it as bullish. The market took it as bearish because CPI was above 0.2% above analysts' expectations of where they thought CPI was going to come. So that just killed the market. But CPI is bullish. It's actually, to a degree, is bullish, but although it's bearish at the same time. But it's bullish in the sense where CPI inflation, according to the numbers now, according to CPI, has come down significantly from last month and the previous months, and is the lowest CPI rating since April. So that's pretty good. And the lower inflation keeps coming and going, which is happening. That's going to allow the Fed to be less hawkish and not raise rates as much as they are doing. So we're going to get into this video. If you want to understand what the heck is happening for Bitcoin, Ethereum, we have the merge in 2 days, less than 2 days. Stay to the very end. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, because you do not want to miss these time sensitive videos. So getting into the video, ladies and gentlemen, Ethereum has crashed significantly. Bitcoin has crashed significantly, but we are at support. Bitcoin support right now is $20,000. Ethereum support is $1,570. If we break these levels, ladies and gentlemen, we are likely to see another flush down, and that's going to put us approximately another 5% move down or greater. So expect, if we break these levels that I just mentioned to you, the current support levels for Bitcoin and Ethereum, we're going to see another flush down. Taking a look at the traditional markets, the NASDAQ is continuing to go down, -6%, absolutely insane. The S&P is down 5%. The dollar continues to pump. This is just getting ridiculous. So this little bounce that we are seeing for cryptocurrencies right now might be some type of Ethereum merge bounce. That's what's happening as the traditional markets are going down. It is not looking good. Taking a look at other economies, taking a look at other currencies around the world, we have the US dollar against the yen, the US dollar against the euro continuing to moon. The Japanese yen is done. The euro is crashing hard. So it is not looking good. When these currencies are going down, we have the major indices going down. It's not looking good. It is not looking good. The dollar is going up. And who knows if this crash and this drop is going to continue until the Fed says something, and until the Fed meeting next week when they're going to be talking about what rate they are going to raise the markets to. If the Fed goes to 100 basis points or 1%, the markets are probably going to see another crash. So it's not looking good. But guess what? There are, even in the most of bearish of times, when it seems like cryptocurrencies, like last week, if we look at cryptos like Ethereum, last week, cryptos looked like they were going to fall off the face of the earth. The worst news was coming out left and right. And guess what? We bounced up 20-something%. Just ridiculous. The most bearish news was pumping cryptos, was pumping the stock market. And that's what happened. So who knows? Maybe the most bearish news will pump the market, as we have seen in the past. It's just crazy manipulation. So when you get in profits, ladies and gentlemen, especially with these Patreon alerts that we're making profitable trades every week, which you can get access to in the Patreon. The link is in the video description below, especially join tier 3. When you are in profits, ladies and gentlemen, you need to take profits in this volatile environment, because if you do not take profits, the whales will take profits for you and there will be crashes. After every significant pump, every single time, 100% of the time, we have seen a significant crash. Look at this, guys. Significant pump, crash, pump, crash, pump, crash, 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 crash. These crashes are coming very quickly and they're erasing the gains very quickly as well. So just understand. But what the heck is happening? We have the Ethereum merge taking place in the next couple of days. If the Ethereum merge plays out to be successful, I do believe we're going to see some type of relief balance, some type of rally in the markets, and the stock market is probably not going to see it. Stocks are probably going to keep going down, but cryptos are likely to pump. We're going to see some type of pump if the merge is successful, or maybe not. Maybe the pump has already happened, as some people are speculating. I'm not speculating that, because if there is some really good news, like the Ethereum merge is successful, is live, it's good, cryptos are going to pump. They're most likely going to pump. That's going to be very good. Just like it happens for any type of major upgrade for Ethereum or any type of major upgrade for Bitcoin, we do see some pump. So I'm not expecting the pump to be 50%, 30%. Maybe we'll get a 12% pump. Maybe we'll get a 15% pump. I don't know. But after that pump, I would be very cautious and understand that there will always come a crash and a dip. So guess what? When the markets crash, you can short over on Bybit, and make sure you use the link in my video description where you can claim up to a $5,000 bonus. Make sure you sign up with that link so you can short the market. When the market is crashing, short the market. Short the market. Put stop losses. Sell. Buy these dips. You can make incredible trades, because look, let's say you were to sell somewhere up here, you take profits, boom, it crashes 10%. Guess what you can do? Every single crash bounces several percent. If you would have bought the bottom today, guess what? You could have played a 4% move, a 3.5% move, a 2% play with more crypto, and sell, and then just wait for the next crash, let it crash, and see if you can catch a ride up to the moon. So great trading opportunities in these volatile times. Although cryptos aren't pumping and mooning as we want to, they're very volatile, and they provide great opportunities multiple times a week, every single week. So take advantage of those. When you're realizing a profit, when you're up in profits based on your strategy, take profits. None of this is financial advice. It's just my own opinion. It's what I'm doing, and it's the advice to myself. So I highly recommend you join the Patreon right now. The link is in my video description. Join tier 3 so you get access to all the alerts and the trading group. And make sure, if you want to learn how to make 1 to 2% every single day, I have a new course in school to teach you how to do that. Apply with the link in my video description, guys. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for staying to the end. I will see you all tomorrow.